वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
अयवरट्
अयवरट्
लण्
ळम्
ञमाङणनम्
ञमाङणनम्
जभै
जभै
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खफछठथ चटतौ
खफछठथ चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋतुरचानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरसानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपर्माणीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यामाङ्गणनानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठठालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठोष्टम्
एदैतोः कण्ठोष्टम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्टम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
सुऔजस्
सुऔजस्
औक्षस्
औक्षस्
ताभ्याम्भिस्
ताभ्याम्भिस्
ङेभ्याम्भ्यस्
नेभ्याम्भ्यस्
ङसिभ्याम्भ्यस्
नसिभ्याम्भ्यस्
नस्पोस् आम्
नस्पोस् आम्
ङिओत्सुप्
नीओसुप्
सुऔजस्
सुऔजस्
तिप्तस्झि
तिप्तस्थि
सिद्धस्थ
सिद्धस्थ
मिप्वस्मस्
मिप्पस्मस्
त आताञ्झ
त आताञ्झ
थास् आथाम् ध्वम्
आधाम् ध्वम्
इट् वहि मगिङ्
इट् वै महिम्
ऊकालो जस्वदीर्घप्लुतः
ऊकारुज्यस्वदीर्घस्पृतः
अचश्च
अचश्च
उच्चैरुदात्तः
उच्चैरुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
समाहारस्वरितः
समाहारस्वरितः
मुखनासिकावचनोनुनासिकः
मुखनासिकावचनोनुनासिकः
तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णम्
ऋलवर्णयोर्मितः सावर्ण्यं वाच्यम्
त्रिवर्णयोर्मितः सावर्ण्यं वाच्यम्
नाज्झलौ
नाज्झलौ
अनुदिश्च अनुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
अणुदित्सवर्णस्य च प्रत्ययः
तपरस्तत्कालस्य
तपरस्तत्कालस्य
फलोऽनन्तरः संयोगः
फलोऽनन्तरः संयोगः
ह्रस्वं लघु
ह्रस्वं लघु
संयोगे गुरु
संयोगे गुरु
दीर्घं च
दीर्घं च
अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपदा
अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपदा
विभक्तिश्च
विभक्तिश्च
अदर्शनं लोपः
अदर्शनं लोपः
उपदेशे जनुनासिक यत्
उपदेशे जनुनासिक इत्
फलन्त्यम्
फलन्त्यम्
न विभक्तौ तु स्मः
न विभक्तौ तु स्मः
आदिर्ङिटुडवः
आदिर्निटुडवः
शः प्रत्ययस्य
शफ् प्रत्ययस्य
चुटु
चुटु
लशक्वतद्धिते
नशक्वतद्धिते
तस्य लोपः
तस्य लोपः
आदिरन्तेन सहेता
आदिरन्त्येन सहेत
षष्ठीस्थाने योगा
षष्ठी स्थाने योग
तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
तस्मिन्निति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य
तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य
तस्मादित्युत्तरस्य
स्थानेन्तरतमः
स्थाने अन्तरतमः
पुरन्रपरः
पुरन्दरपरः
परसन्निकर्षः संहिता
परसन्निकर्षः संहिता
अदेङ्गुणः
आदिगुणः
वृद्धिरादैच
वृद्धिरादैश्
संहितायाम्
संहितायाम्
इको यनचि
इको यनचि
यथा संख्यम् अनुदेशः समानाम्
यथा संख्यम् अनुदेशः समानः
ये चोयवायावः
एचो यवायावः
अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः
अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः
आद्गुणः
आद्गुणः
वृद्धिरेचि.
वृद्धिरेचि.
After that, we have seen the sutram. So, ikoyanachi, echo yavayavaha, kassavane dirgaha, adgunaha, vridhirechi, and then we have seen the sutram. Ato gune, right? Ato gune, that is pararupa santi. Okay, 1 minute. Number maybe the position I may change it later. Let me type that. Ato gune is pararupa santi. Then we saw Enga of Padantadati. That is Eng of Padantadati. This number is 61109.
Yes, there is enough padant.
Eng of Padantadati. Yes. So 61109, Eng of Padantadati. That is 61109. Then we saw Lopaha Shakalyasya. Okay, that Lopaha Shakalyasya, special optional Sandhi rule. That also I'll try to place it here, or let me place it here. It's okay. Lopaha Shakalyasya. That is 8390. Okay. So these are sandhis we have seen, right? Any other sandhis we saw?
Yes. I have just one
Doubt, huh?
one doubt, one question with
Yeah.
the Pararupa Sandhi.
Yes.
So we last class work in this
Mhm.
example with la B, with the labate,
Yeah.
and this la B, how this la B comes to become A if the pradhyaya is it bahi mahim, the it becomes A.
It, vahi, mahi, that is the original pratyaya.
Yes.
For present tense, lat lakara, it becomes ye, vahe, mahe.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you. The pratyaya, what we chanted now. Tip, tasji, sip, tasta, mip, paspas, ta, atam, ja, thas, atam, dvam, yit, vahi, magin. These are the original pratyaya. I will call it as original. Original meaning, from these pratyayas, the pratyaya corresponding to present tense, past tense, aorist, remote past, future tense, everything is derived. So these are
Okay.
the basis. That's why I call it as original pratyayas.
Understood.
Okay. So these are the original pratyayas. You can see the screen now. Showing another slide here. Now, these pratyayas now corresponding to present tense. The present tense, the last class I told, we call it by the name let, short term, let. If it is past tense, we call it by the name lung. Future tense, we call it by the name lit. Just I'm telling you, you'll see in detail later. So now let us take let. From these original pratyayas, the pratyayas corresponding to let are, you can see, ti, taha, anti, si, taha, tha, mi, vaha, maha. In Parasmaipadi, there are no changes. As it is, as it was original, the same pratyayas for Parasmaipadi. Whereas for Atmanepadi, let rupam, you can see the pratyayas are from the original, it has completely changed. Originally, it was ta atam ja. Now it is te ite and te thas atam dvam in the original. Now it is here let se ite dve in the original Uttama Purusha it vagi maging. Now here ye vage mage. So for the lat lakara, these are the Parasmaipadi pratyayas. These are the Atmanepadi pratyayas. Understand? From the
Yes.
original pratyayas, we derive these pratyayas. When we derive Parasmepadi, there is no change. In Atmanepadi, there are a lot of changes happening. Ta become te, then ta atam. Atam becomes ate or ite. We will take it as ite. That we will discuss later. Then tas atam ja become ante. Similarly, thas becomes se, like that. Now, Uttama Purusha, if you see, it is not E. Originally, it was E, but corresponding to present tense, it is A,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
In fact, I tell you, if I tell you, you will become very simple. But I don't want to confuse you by giving more information. You can wait for some time. So when you get into let, you will know how this has come from the original pratyaya that we are going to learn. To
Yes, no
give
problem. Because
more, yeah.
yeah.
Another example I'll
No.
give you. This is for let, right? Now,
Yes.
C for lung, that is past tense. From the original pratyaya, these are the pratyayas corresponding to lung, past tense. So for Parasmaipadi, takarat tam an, sakarat tam ta, va, these are the pratyayas corresponding to lung lakara Paraspapati Lang Lakara. From tip, we are getting takara. From tip tas become tam. Tip plus g becomes an. So completely different, right? Similarly, Atmanepadi, if you see, there are no changes for lang. Ta, originally it was ta, here also ta. Atam, here also atam. Ta, atam, ja. Ja has become anta. And in the original it was tas, here it is taha. Tas, atham, dvam. There is no change here. And originally it was it, here e, no change. Vahi, mahi, no change. So for lang lakara, Atmanepadi, the pratyas are same as the original pratyaya, right? For lat lakara, Parsvapadi, the pratyas are same as the original pratyas. So like that. Corresponding to different lakaras from the original pratyas, the pratyas are derived. So that is the first step. In fact, we are going to learn when we learn Tinganta. That is the pratyas corresponding to the particular tense. That is present tense, past tense, like that. After deriving that, then we will add to the dhatu. And what will happen to the dhatu, the effect, then we are going to derive patati, labate. Okay, understand?
Understand. Yes.
So now you just take that the pratyas corresponding to let, that is present tense for Atmanepadi is te, ite, ante. You take like this. If you take this pratyas, Uttama Purusha is A. So therefore, lab plus A.
Yes.
Lab plus A becomes labe. There our Sandhi rule applies. Lab plus A plus A. Laba plus A. Apadantakara followed by a guna letter. Purva Pariyavastane. Pararupam, that is guna letter, is the Adesha. Apavada to Vriddhi. Vriddhi will not happen. Therefore, you get labe.
Yes.
Got it?
Got it.
Yes.
Yes. Because I was like thinking, like, meaning, if only it was laba plus e, then labe
Yes.
also.
Then it is labe. Then guna sandhi will come. Yes. That is a mistake done in some books. In some books, they just take E. That's a mistake. That's why in my chart, if you see, I have specifically mentioned A only, not E.
Yes, understand.
See, you see, Atmanepadi Pratyaya. Now, what is the original Pratyaya in the place? What was before here? Original Pratyaya. Atmanepadi.
Ta.
Ta. Right?
Yes.
Ta is equal to takara plus a. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Now replace a by a. What do you get?
Te.
That's what it's here. Simple.
Yes.
Now, similarly, say if you take, what was the original? Okay, not this one.
Has.
Okay, here you take.
Yes.
Te, ite, ante.
Tam.
Now here you take. Let us take this here. What was original?
It.
Original it was E, right? Now E is replaced by A. Similarly, here, what was the original?
Vahi.
Vahi. Vahi is that here, Vak plus E, right? Replace E by A. You get Vahe. Similarly, Mahe is Mach plus E. Mach plus E, Mahe, right? Mach plus E. Replace E by A, Mahe. So it means what happens? That is, for the Atmanepadi, Latlakara, the last letter, the last vowel, replaced by A. That's a rule.
Oh,
That's
not
how it
the
happens.
guna.
Not guna. We will see in detail later. So E will become A. So for ta, here a is there, that a becomes a. Here also is same thing actually. Here also it is, but I will explain this later. Ante also same thing here also. And here is this is something different. And here e becomes a. Here also vahi. Vahi before it was e. That e becomes a. Here mahi. E becomes a. So like that. It's a rule. For Atmanepadi
Yes,
Pratyaya, the last vowel should be replaced by a. So like that, we have rules for different lakaras. Different changes will happen. For lat lakara, you can remember these pratyas now. Te gite ante, te gite dve, ye vage mage. That you have to
okay.
memorize. Okay, with sutra, how it is coming, we are going to see later. For our derivation purposes, we can remember the pratyas. Anyway, I will add that also slowly in our chanting. So after original pratyas, we will chant the pratyas corresponding to lat lakara as well as lang lakara. So both important lakaras. To start with, other lakaras also slowly we will add. Ling lakara, then lot lakara. Okay, I will show you that also. Why? I'll just in the same file it is there, all the lakaras. Now you saw this is lat lakara, present tense. And this is lang lakara. Then this is lot lakara. Pratyas corresponding to lot. Lot is imperative. Patatu, patatam, patantu. Imperative, you have heard, right? Imperative and potential
Yes.
mood, imperative mood. That's what it is. Okay. Lot is imperative. And ling is potential. Or in other way, I don't know what is it. This is what do you say? Or potential.
Yeah. No, this is imperative, lot imperative, and ling is potential.
Potential, yes. Lot is imperative. Yes, command. So this tu tam antu, from the original, these pratyas are derived. Tu tam antu, tamta, ani, ava, ama. Similarly, Atmanepadi, tam, itam, antam, swa, itam, dvam. Here you see I, avahai, amahai, right? From the original, it is derived. So this is called a lot lakara. Then potential, that is called the ling lakara, technically ling. With the ling we call, with the ling. Eat, eatam, ihu. From the original, it is derived. Originally, tip plus G. That becomes eat, eatam, ihu. Ihi, eatam, ita. Iyam, iva, ima. Similarly, for Atmanepadi, ita, iyatam, iran. Ithaha, iyatam, idvam. Iya, ivahi, imahi. So these pratyas also we need to memorize it. Okay. Anyway, we'll going to see the derivations, how it comes. That will be covered as part of the sutras. But for the sake of the knowing the forms of the dhatus in different lakaras, we should not wait for the sutras to know and apply and then derive. We should be able to, given the dhatu, should be able to tell the different lakaras. Suppose if I say lab dhatu, can you tell the potential form, ling lakara, lab dhatu?
Yes.
Try.
Labhet, labheyatam, labheran,
Very good.
labheta, labheyatham, labhedum, labheya, labhevahi, labhemahi. Yeah.
How do you get
We
it?
used to
Simple.
learn we used to learn it with the vand.
It's okay. Fine.
Vandeyata.
Vandeta. So the dhatu, I said lab dhatu, right? Lab dhatu
Yes.
becomes, it is first gana. Now, just it is laba. Okay. It is laba. Now, laba plus eta, a plus e. What's on the?
Gunasam.
Then labeta, a
Yeah.
plus e. Again, gunasandhi. Labeyatam. Then laberan. Labetaha. Labeyatam. Labedvam. Simple. Right? Similarly, suppose if I give pat dhatu, parasmepadi, pat, that becomes pata. Pata it becomes pata. Now add the pratyaya to the pata. Pata plus e, it will become a plus e, patet.
Yeah, yes.
Patet, patetam, pateyuhu. A plus e, gunasandhi. Patehe, patetam, pateta. Pateyam, pateva, patema. Right?
Correct.
So to derive these forms, you have to know sandhi and other related the rules. So sandhi is the first to start with. That is why we are doing sandhi first. And for pararupa sandhi, I took the example of Atmanepadi, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam, where this applied, pararupa sandhi, labe, labe. Okay, that's the thing. Like it is as it is done in Parasmepadi, Prathama Purusha, Bhagavachanam. That example also I given, patanti. Pata plus anti, not patanti. It is patanti. Here also the rule applied, pararupa sandhi. Right? For Parasmepadi, Prathama Purusha, Bhagavachanam. Similarly, for Atmanepadi, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Just examples. Right?
Correct.
Okay. What is now pararupa sandhi? We have seen. Last class we derived the pararupa sandhi. When apadanta akara followed by a guna letter, both the preceding and succeeding pura parayogo will be replaced by the following guna letter. So we wrote this vritti. We wrote in the spot. Apadanta akara uttarasi gune pare pura parayogastane pararupaha. All these words are anuvritti. So apadanta akara gune, finally we said ataha gune, ato gune, we derived. Okay. So remember this sutra, important. Now, after that, we saw Purva Rupa Sandhi. Pararupa completed, then Purva Rupa. Purva Rupa is apavada to what? Apavada to which Sandhi?
To Ayad Sandhi.
Ayadi Sandhi. What does the Purva Rupa Sandhi says? An yang letter at the end of the padam. When yang letter at the end of the padam, followed by a word padam, beginning with short vowel, rasvakara, short vowel, then both the preceding and succeeding will be replaced by the preceding letter, purva letter, which is yang letter. So te plus api, ye plus a. Why don't you apply ayadi sandhi? Ayadi sandhi applicable? Yes, applicable. But this sandhi is also applicable. Ayadi sandhi is applicable. Ayadi sandhi says h plus h. This sandhi is also applicable, yang plus a. When both are applicable, which one will apply? Now competition between the two. So one must be the exception to the other, right? And both are applicable means the situation is like that. When two things are applicable, one is stronger than the other. Which is stronger? Apavada is strong. Apavada is stronger always. So apavada should be applied. Therefore, Purva Rupa Sandhi will prevail over Ayadi Sandhi. So Purva Rupa Sandhi has specific condition, and the specific condition is fulfilled here. And the specific condition is the Purva Padam must be ending with yang letter, A or O, and the following Padam must beginning with Rasvakara. So therefore, Purva Rupa Sandhi applies. Ayadi Sandhi is ruled out. Okay. So with this, the Sandhi, now here, Sandhi is, Sandhi is completed. Not completely completed. The basic, I would say, the basic Sandhis are completed. We can go to the Sutra, but I would prefer, before going to the Sutram, let us do some exercises on this. So Sandhi must be clear. If given any word, you should be able to split, you should be able to join. Sandhi Vicheda and Sandhi, that which Sandhi, why, what, how does it apply, that must be clear. Otherwise, knowing the Sutram alone is of no use. You may know the Sutram, but if you don't know what Sandhi is applied here, then what's the purpose of knowing the Sutra, right? So you have to do exercises. So we will do that. Now, what was the first Sandhi we saw? See, please see here. If you remember like this, ik plus ach. What Sandhi? Ik plus ach. H plus ach. If you know this thoroughly, then any Sandhi you can easily understand. I mean, you can easily apply. Given the context, you can split and you can add. That is, this is Purva, this is Para. Purva Padam or Purva Shabda ending with ik, Purva Shabda ending with h, Para Padam or Para Shabda beginning with ach, Para Shabda beginning with ach. So what will happen here? You see, this is what we have seen. And of course, here, the special option rule was there. That is, sorry, here, Ayadi Sandhi. Ik plus ach, what Sandhi? When ik is followed by ach, N Sandhi.
Yen Sandhi. Yen Sandhi.
That immediately you should tell N Sandhi when ik is followed by ach.
Yes.
But you have to explain this in keeping with the other rules. In keeping with the other rules. What I mean is, ik is followed by h. If ik is followed by, suppose E is followed by E. If E is followed by E, I think one more rule I have to write it here. Okay, that is when ak is followed by.
Yes.
Savarnach. Okay, I missed that.
Savarnach. Yes.
Now, E plus E. Suppose if by this, then this will apply. Not N Sandhi will apply. So it is connected. Akastavani Dirgha is apavada to each. The ik plus h, that is N Sandhi, right?
Yes.
So if you remember like this, it's easy. If the Purva Shabda is ik and the following Shabda is ach, in the Sutram it is ach, but in our understanding, it is what? It is Asavarna.
Asavarna ach.
Ach. Then N Sandhi. Why I say Asavarna ach? Because I know if it is Savarna ach comes, then N Sandhi will happen. Sorry, Dirgha Sandhi will happen.
Dirgha. Ah, yes.
So therefore, even though ach is there in the Sutram, only ach is there, Savarna not there, Asavarna not there, but in our understanding, it should be Asavarna ach, right? That is understood. Because there is a connection between the Sutra and Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. So that should be your understanding. Similarly, H plus H, what will happen? H plus H is Ayadi Sandhi. Here nothing happens, H plus H. Only thing is here, if H happens to be the Padanta, then only that Padanta Yakara Vakara preceded by Avarna, followed by Ash letter, then the Yakara becomes Lopaha optionally. That will come. Anyway, that is optional. It's not a problem. Right?
Yes.
So that is covered here itself. So I'm not writing it specifically. Then you see A plus, that is Avarna, Avarna plus H. What will happen? Here when we say H means accepting A. So it means it should be ich. It is also not ich. If H is there, then Vriddhi will happen. So H also you have to remove. Therefore, it is ik. So in our understanding, it should be ik. Avarna followed by ik letter, then it is Guna Sandhi. Avarna followed by H letter, it is Vriddhi Sandhi. Right? Ak followed by Savarna H, that is Savana Dirgha Sandhi. And Padanta Yeng followed by A. This is Apavada to Ayadi Sandhi. H is there, here Yeng is there. Yeng is a subset of H. The thing is here Padanta condition is there. So therefore between the Ayadi Sandhi and this, you can see the relationship. Padanta Yeng followed by A. Ayadi Sandhi will not apply. It is what Sandhi will apply? Purvarupa Sandhi. Then Apadanta Akara followed by a Guna letter. So Guna letter, when we say, it is A, and O, right? A plus A. A plus A, it is not Savana Dirgha Sandhi. A plus A is A. Exception to Savana Dirgha Sandhi. A plus A. A plus A, it is not Vriddhi Sandhi. It is Pararupa Sandhi. Exception to Vriddhi Sandhi. Similarly, A plus O. It is not Vriddhi Sandhi. It is Pararupa Sandhi. When Apadanta Akara is followed by, therefore, this condition you have to take it here. Take it where? This Apadanta, this Akara, this ak followed by Savarnach. Here, A is that. If A happens to be not at the end of the Padam, followed by the Guna letter A, then what Sandhi will happen? Pararupa Sandhi. So therefore, Ato Gune is Apavada to Savana Dirgha Sandhi. Similarly, if then A and O are covered as part of the H, and A is there. But this A is Apadanta Avarna, followed by H letter, that is Guna letter. Then what will happen? Guna will not happen. What will happen is Pararupa Sandhi will happen. That is, both are replaced by, Vriddhi will not happen. Both are replaced by Guna letter, Pararupa. So that's that. In that way, you have to understand all these rules. If these rules are clear, then you can apply it in our exercise. And you can apply. Okay, you can easily apply and get the right form. Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
This is summary of what we have seen all these days, Sandhis. If this is clear, then remember when see, Avarna is very specific. It's very special. When Avarna is followed by it, when Avarna is followed by H, Guna and or Vriddhi will happen. Okay, Guna and Vriddhi. So you can see here, this is very specifically given. Not only here, in other places also you will see. The Avarna is specific. When Avarna is followed by something, then that Ikar H, like here Guna and Vriddhi happens. Similarly in other places also. We will see in the case of Visarga Sandhi. If any other letter comes, it's not a problem. But if Avarna is there, then specific rule will apply. Like in this case, Avarna followed by Ik letter. It is Guna Sandhi. Is there any rule when Ivarna followed by Ik letter? No. Only Avarna is. Therefore, Avarna is something special. You will understand why I'm saying this later when we study Visarga Sandhi. Okay. So we will do some exercises today and then we'll move to the sutras next class. Before that, let us chant this one. Samhitaikapade nitya.
Samhitaikapade nitya.
Nitya dhatu pasargayoh.
Nitya dhatu pasargayoh.
Nitya samase vakyetu.
Nitya samase vakyetu.
Sa vivaksham apekshate.
Sa vivaksham apekshate.
So, Yenga Padanta Dati, the last sutra, I mean the Purvarupa Sandhi, that you can see how it is, how the vritti is written. I think that I didn't tell you in the last class. You can see Purvarupa Sandhi. Padantat Yengaha. Padantat Yengaha Atipare. Purvaruparayogo Purvarupaha Adeshaha Bhavati. Do you understand this? Sanskritam. Padantat means what?
And at the end of the word.
At the end of the padam. Padantat. Padanta is a pratipadikam, like Rama Shabda. Ramat. Padantat. Yengaha. Padantat Panchami, right?
Yes.
Panchami Vibhakti Ekavacham. What about Yengaha?
Panchami.
That is also Panchami. This Panchami is qualified by Padantat. Yengaha is qualified by Padantat. What type of Padanta? What type of Yengaha? Padanta Yengaha. Yeng letter located at the end of the Padam. Yeng letter at the end of the Padam. So, Yengaha, Yeng of Padanta, followed by what? Ati. What is Ati? What is the Pratipadikam? At. At means Takara. What does Takara does? Limits only to the short vowel.
Yes.
Not other vowel. Only Rasvakara follows, only Purva will apply. Not Akara and all, right? If Akara comes, what will happen? If Akara comes, what will happen? You tell me. A plus A. A plus A. What will happen?
This is Ayadishan.
Ayadisandhi, simple. Ayadisandhi will happen. That's all. So Rasvakara. Therefore, At, and it is Saptami here. You know why it is Saptami? Because it follows, right? Ati,
Yes.
Ati Pare. Then we have this Stani. Is Purva Parayoga in the place of preceding and succeeding. What is Adesha? Purva is Adesha. What is a Purva? Yang letter. Purva Rupaha is nothing but the Yang letter. That is the Adesha. Now you see the Sutra. Yang of Padanta Dati. Padantat Yangaha. Yengaha Panchami. And Padantad is there. Padantad plus Ati. Padantadati. This is also Sandhi. Padantat Takara plus what Sandhi? We will see that later. It is Vyanjana Sandhi. Takara will be replaced by the third letter of that class, which is Takara. That is what we call Jashtva Sandhi in Sanskritam. We will see that later. Okay. Vyanjana Sandhi, we will see. Okay. Vyanjana Sandhi, a lot of Sandhis are there that we will see. Okay. So now we have to split. So Padantat Ati, that's what I have written here. Padantat Yengaha Ati Pare, Pura Parayogo Stane. What is the Adesha? Pura Rupaha. All this coming as Anuvritti. Pura Rupaha.
Yes.
Oh. Let us see the Sutra Pata. I think in the last class I didn't explain this, the Sutra of this rule. We'll see today.
You are saying Engaha. It shouldn't be Enaha. Enaha.
Not Engaha. Kakagaganga. Engaha. Nga. It is Kakagaganga. Engaha. Padanta. Why? What did you say?
Enaha.
Not Enaha. It is sound is not na. Nga. It is nga. No. Engaha. But
okay.
Engaha I say. Okay. Na it is nasal. Na. Kakagaga na.
No.
Engaf Padanta Dati. To be very specific. Engaf Padanta Dati. Okay.
Understand.
6-1. Here you can
this,
see.
I think the Anuvriti is not the Purva Rupa, only Purvaha, I mean. Or only Purvaha.
Only Purvaha. Yes. Purvaha is the preceding. I just say Rupa. The form of the preceding will replace both. It's okay. Rupa means form. Purvaha Adesha Bhavati. Both are same.
Both things. Okay.
Okay. Now see the Sutra. Engaha Padantat Ati. This is a Sutra. 61109. Please remember the Sutra with the number. From 107, Purvaha coming as Anuvritti. And Ekaha Purva Parayoho is here, 6184. That is also coming as Anuvritti. Right? And it is under the Adhikara Samhitayam. So, Padantat Engaha Atipare Purva Parayogastane Purvaha Desha Bhavati Apavadatu Ayadi Sandhi. Right?
Correct.
Okay. This is done. Now let us go to the some exercises. Sandhi, Sandhi Vichedaha, also Sandhim Kuruta, both. Okay, anyway, I've given answers here, but you don't see the answer. Huh? Okay, you have to tell me the sutra now. I have taught you the how many sutras, maybe 7, 8 sutras I taught you. So you have to tell the sutra. Don't see the answers, okay? I don't know how to write this answer. Okay. Asau plus ayam. What sandhi?
This
What is asau? What is asau? Asau va adityah sayekah sayaschayam purushe ishcha va aditye sayekah saya evam vit अस्मालोकात् प्रेत्य कुत्र अस्ति? Where is it? Taittiriya. Where is it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Asau is
Asau,
that is
yes.
Asau.
It's same as like saha.
Yeah, exactly. Yes.
From
Saha is something which is remote but not visible. Asau is something remote but it is perceivable, like Surya. Far away, but available for your perception. You can see. Asau Adityaha, Asavadityaha.
Understand.
Okay. So therefore, it is a padam, complete word, fully formed word, case inflected word. That's I think you would have heard like that, right? Case inflected. It's a padam technically.
We call it the right word.
Okay. According to Antoine, the language of Antoine, case inflected. Anyway, we don't use that. Let's say.
Yes.
Now, asau plus ayam. What's sandhi?
So here we will use ayadi sandhi.
Exactly, ayadi sandhi. Au plus a.
Au plus a. Yes.
Okay. What is the sutra?
Echo yava yavaha.
You have to tell the sutram, not just ayadi sandhi. Echo yava yavaha is applied. Okay.
Okay.
Ayadi sandhi, that is echo yava yavaha 6178. The number. Okay. We can note the number also. And optionally, option form is possible. Asau, au is replaced by a. Then akara at the end of the padam, preceded by a, followed by a. Therefore, what will happen? Vakara. Yes. Lopaha shakalyasya. Right?
Yes.
If you do, what do we get? Asa ayam. This is the answer. Here you can see asa ayam. Vakara is lopaha. Further sandhi you cannot do. Why? And all I told you last class. Asiddha. Tu shastram. Sapada saptadya. Tripadi. Right? Asa ayam. Asa vayam. Two forms possible. Understand?
Yes.
Oh, Enis, you can tell the second one. Your chance now. Che plus ana. What sandhi and what sutra?
Ayadi sandhi.
Very good. Sutra.
Echo yava yavaha 6178.
Yes. Can we apply lopaha shakalyasya?
Che is not a padam, is it?
Che is not very good. Che is not a padam. Ana is a pratyaya. Therefore, we cannot apply. Therefore, no optional form. Only one form possible. That is why in the beginning itself I told here, asav is a padam. So if you don't know asav as a padam, but you know I am Shabda, you are much familiar, right? If I am is a padam, asav must be a padam. If wife is married, husband is married only, right? Can't be a bachelor. If I am is padam, asav must be a padam. You can see. You said we don't know vocabulary. We don't know whether it's a padam or not. This is a small trick. When one shabda you know that is a padam, other must be a padam. So therefore padanta Vakara, Padanta Yakara, therefore Lopaha Shakalyasa will apply. Whereas here, Che is not a Padam, clean, it is not a Padam. Ana is a Pratyaya, therefore Ayadi Sandhi, not possible. Next one. Rama. Pancha plus Ete.
Okay, here is the Vridirechi.
Very good.
Vridirechi.
So, what is Pancha? Is it a Padam? Your answer is correct. Vridirechi. Vriddhi Sandhi happened. Pancha Ite. Pancha, is it a Padam?
Yeah. Yes, can be a Padam.
Tell me, yes or no? Only binary answer.
Yes.
How?
How?
What Vibhakti? If it's a Padam, tell me Vibhakti, Vachanam. What is that? No, you don't have to see above. You just see the screen. Ete is a Padam. Pancha must be a Padam only. The same clue,
Yes.
what I said. Ete, you know, right? Eshaha, Eto, Ete, Etat, Ete, Etani, Esha, Ete. Ete is a Padam. Then why you think? Without thinking, you have to tell Pancha is a Padam only. What else could be? Right?
Yeah. It's a Padam, but Vibhakti, I mean, Pancha always Bahuvachanam, but maybe
Pratama
this
Vibhakti or
can.
Dvitiya Vibhakti possible. Both forms is Pancha
Yes.
Pancha.
Pratama
Anyway.
and Dvitiya.
I don't want any specific. I want you to say that must be a Padam because Ete is a Padam. That is the thing. That's what I expect. Okay. So you have to narrow it down. Because since we are not familiar with many words, vocabulary, therefore we don't know whether it is a Padam or what is a Pratipadikam or what is that or Pratyaya, we don't know. So you can narrow it down by seeing the other word. That's the idea. Okay, now industry.
Vridirechi.
Yes, Vridirechi. A plus A, same as the previous one. Therefore,
Okay.
Dirgai Randa. Vridirechi, what's the number?
619.
88. Now you can see and tell. Later, without seeing, you have to tell. Okay, from the mind, from your memory. Try to remember with the sutra number. It is always good. Okay, this is the right time to practice. When we advance that time, it becomes very handy. So 6188. Now, next one, Rama.
Yes. Shashi. So this is
What's in the
one more.
Not more than 5 seconds, huh?
This is
See, you don't have to. Yeah, that's all. Last letter and the beginning letter. That is enough. In fact, the last letter is start. When E is there, just watch what is the following letter. If it is E, Savana Dirgha. If it is other than that, Yan Sandhi. That's it.
Yes.
What else could it be, right? So, yes. Little fast. You have to rule out the possibilities. Therefore, Yan Sandhi. Okay, it comes only by practice. Okay. Shashi plus Uditi. Go ahead, 6-1.
77.
Yeah. Remember, 6177. Eco energy is 6177. Ho Yava is 6178. 7778. Similarly, Ad Gunaha is 6187. Vridireti is 88. 6188. Okay. Akasavani Dirga is 61101. Enga Padanta Adati is 61109. So, like that, you can remember. 77, 78, 87, 88, 101, 109. Okay. And Atogune is 97. Atogune, 6197. Lopaga Shakalya say it is in Tripadi, 8319. Okay, next is one. NSG.
This is also Yan Sandhi.
Yes. Any doubt? U plus
No.
A, Yan Sandhi only. When the Purva letter is equal letter and the following letter is not Savarna, it has to be Yan only. Siddhyat Eva, Siddhyat Veva, who is replaced by Vakara. Right? Next one, Rama.
Okay. This is A plus A. So A plus A can be the Ayadi Sandhi. But this
Yes.
chore is pada. So at the end of the pada, we have to apply engaf padantadi. Ega padanta dati.
Engaf Padanta Dati. So what does it do? Engaf Padanta Dati?
This is apapada for the Ayadi Sandhi.
Yeah, okay, what does it do here? A plus?
Okay, so here this is Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Yes.
So we have to keep the A and the A is dropped.
Elided. Okay. That elision of A is alone is represented by this. What is this called? Avagraha.
Avagraha.
This is not a letter. Okay, this is just a sign to show that one sign, one sign, one time if you see it, it is A. If two are there, it is A, like that. Dirgha. Now, you said Chore is a padam. Is it a padam? How do you know it's a padam?
Ati also padam? Ati.
You're applying my logic, okay. Ati is a padam, therefore Chore must be a padam. Now,
yes.
You just think, what is Chore? What vibhakti, what vachanam Chore is? Okay, Ati is a padam, therefore Chore is a padam. But Chore, what vibhakti, what you know it. You know that very, very, very well. What is Chore is? Like what Shabda?
This can be like Grama, can be Rame, like
Exactly. That is what
Saptami.
it is. Saptami. Saptami ekavachanam. Chore.
Ekavachanam.
Yes. Choraha choro choraha. Choram choro chorana. Chorena chorabhyam chorehi. And Saptami is Chore. So therefore padam.
Okay.
Right?
This is like
Ramashabda.
like still from Chodayati. No, it's Chur.
No.
Chora.
Chori, yes. But here it is in the chora, that is in the thief. So like that.
Thief.
But it is whatever it is, chora is pratipadikam, chora is saptami.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
But this Ati also.
It's a padam. It is called. If this comes before the dhatu, it is called upasarga. It's called nipata. Okay,
Nipata.
that technically we'll see that it's avayam. Okay, it's an avayam, indeclinable.
Avyayam. Yes, like an yeah.
Yes, indeclinable. Ati. Next one, NSG.
I think here we have two rules. The first one would be Echo Yava Yabaha.
Exactly. Yeah.
And the optionally Lopa Shakalyasya.
Yes. So Lopaka Shakalyasya, what is the form? Puja Arho plus Arisudana. If you join,
First
answer is
we
given.
join.
So Vakara will be Lopaha. So Puja
Yes.
Arha Arisudana. If Vakara is there, then Puja Arha Varisudana, right? Okay. You know, this comes in Gita. Katam Bhishmamakam Sankhe Dronam Chamadusudana. Ishubhi Pratiyotsyami Pujarhau Arisudana. Second chapter, fourth shloka. Arjuna says, Pujarhau, that is Dronacharya, Pujarhau, they deserve worship. E Arisudana, Sambodhana, E Krishna, E Arisudana. The one who destroys Ari, enemies. So Pujarhau, they deserve worship. Pujarhau, what vibhakti, what vachanam? Pujam arhati, Pujarhau, they deserve worship. Pujarha Shabda. Pujarga Shabda is like what Shabda? Rama Shabda.
Rama, yes.
So Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha.
Dvivachanam.
Yes. It is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. The shloka it is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam because Arjuna says, how I will kill those two revered people.
Mhm.
Katam Pujarghau Dronacharyo Pratiyotsyami. How shall I destroy them, kill them? So Pujarghau is Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo. That is a Pujarghau. Pujargha, Pujarghau, Pujarghaha, Pujargham, Pujarghau. That is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Tadvivachanam. Okay. So Sandhi is Echo Yavayavaha 6178. Optionally, you will have Lopaga Shakulyasya 8319. Right? Next one, Rama.
This is a Bridhirechi.
Yes. Bridhirechi number 6188.
6188.
I is a followed by A, H. That is Bridhirechi. Next one, NSG.
Bridhirechi also.
Yes, here also A plus O. H letter follows the Akara. Therefore, Bridhirechi 6188. So 88. 6188. Now here, next one, Ramaji.
Okay, this is ad gunaha.
Exactly. Ad Gunaha.
Ad
A
gunaha.
plus R.
A plus R.
Both will be replaced by the Guna letter, which is A. And R is, whenever R is replaced by An letter, I told you, A, I, U, Repa will be added. So Ar
Yes.
will be the Adesha. So
Uram-
Adama plus
Uram
Runaha,
Rapadaha.
Adamar Naha. Sorry,
Adamar.
we are typo. Adamar Naha. It will be like this. This is a form.
Adamarna. Yes.
So if I give like Adamar Naha, would you be able to split Adama plus Runaha? That's the difficulty. That lies the difficulty. Then the Vicheda is challenging. Joining is easy. Vicheda is, that is where you have to apply. Adama plus Runaha. Here, Runaha is there. You have to spot that Runaha. So you have to spot Ar. How Ar has come? Because of Gunasandhi. A plus R. So you have to do the reverse thing. So that is really challenging. Okay. That's what we are going to do actually. So we need to do some exercise. Okay. It's not just about the rules. Then we will know the sutra, but application, if you don't know application, then the sutra alone will not help. Okay. So we have to do exercises and what sandhi is applied and what sutra. Then the study of sutra has got some purpose, is useful. Little bit language also you have to develop. Okay. It's not just purely only on the sutra. Sutra will do in between some little language. You have to develop the language, right? So some simple exercises, translations that we can do. I'll give as homework. You can try in your free time. Some simple translations, not from Anton. Okay, Anton already you have done. And also the Anton is not one-time reading. Even if you have done, second time you go and just do it, repeat it again. So that will be easy. We can take some other book, Infant Reader or any other book. Infant Reader is very good. Simple exercises. Or I've got a lot of other materials are there. We can do with the class, reading stories, etc. That is for developing the language. So we have to do in between some language also. Okay, I think we'll stop here. I'll mark here. We'll continue this in the next class. If you have time, please do this. So you have to spot the sandhi and join and or split. Splitting is, that also is the exercise. So we will spend some time on this and then we will move to the sutra. After this, once you are comfortable, familiar with this, then we can go to the little advanced sandhi, ach sandhi. That we will complete and then we'll go to Vyanjana sandhi. Okay. We'll follow like that.
So we will do it in class or shall we do it in home?
Whichever you're comfortable, I don't have problem. If you want to do in the class, you can do it.
Okay.
Your choice.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do it in the class so that I can drill you, ask questions. Okay. So it will be in spot. But you go through all the sandhis once very thoroughly. Thorough understanding of the sandhis what we have seen. 6 plus, I think 8 sandhis we have seen. So that now only application. Application we will do in the class. Yes. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.
Okay.
See, the more time we
Dhanyavada.
spend, then the more familiar we will become. So it's a matter of familiarity only. It's not difficult here. It's a matter of being familiar with the sutra. It will come.
Okay.
There is no urgency. Okay, we'll wait till we get familiar. Yeah. Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Thank you. Dave.